Hey everybody, today we're going to do something that I've been meaning to get around to for my Patreon subscribers, which is being able to vote on upcoming projects. So this is going to be a little bit of a single project, but you're going to be able to vote on the outcome of the project. It's something that I've wanted to do for a while, and people have wanted to see for a while, is a Pokemon version of the holographic card that I did a couple years back. So if you haven't seen that, that's the holographic Dark Ritual that I created, and I'm going to do a Pokemon next. Something that I've kind of wanted to do ever since I started making holograms. So here we are 2 years later, and I'm going to do a Pokemon card. And everybody was like, oh, you gotta do Charizard, right? Or you gotta do Pikachu. I thought it would be fun to buy some Pokemon cards and open up a pack and then choose one of the cards. So I went down to the local game store, talked to the guys there, told them what I needed to do. I don't know, I wanted a cool card, but I wanted it to be random and I wanted it to be fun and dynamic. So I figured I would open a pack, I'd show you what I thought would be some cool ones to make and why, and then I'd let you vote on which one you want to see kind of brought to life. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a patron. Very, very important to me, and I want to make sure you guys are getting every little bit of value out of what you're putting in. So, let's open up some Pokemon cards and see what we find. It did come with a Jolteon as well. I like this card a lot. This will probably be in the voting roster. So, without further ado, let's open up a pack. So, I don't really have any criteria other than aesthetic, because I'm going to have to sculpt this this Pokemon, the content of the card. So I'd rather it not be too complex. I'm not the best sculptor, honestly, but I can do some things, as you saw with the holographic Dark Ritual. So without further ado, let's just start flipping some things. We got Baltoy, purple. See, this is like one of the cards that I just would never be able to do justice, because the purple, I don't know if I could never kind of nail anything close to purple. The subject would be fun. Galarian, Mr. Mime. That's pretty cool. Fomantis, I like the art on this card a lot. Ooh, a classic Sparrow. There's a Yarn Zubat. This is a photograph too. Come on. Ooh, that one's kind of shiny. Primeape. Primeape is not one of my favorite Pokemon, and the fur will always get a little tricky to sculpt, but I could do that. Got an energy, you know. Durant, single strike style Mustard. Cheryl, not a fan. Oh, they make you, oh, you get digital cards. Of course you did digital cards. So I guess the only ones that I would really consider out of these would be just the Primeape. Just the Primeape, I guess. Yeesh. Alright, well, let's try another pack, honestly. Frillish. Esper, so cute. I like the artwork, but not really what's gonna work out for me. Flipbug, very boring. Silicobra. Oh, this one would be kind of cool. Houndour pulling some rocks. I could do that. The perspective of this would work out pretty well, because you could have Houndour back in the front here, almost poking out of the frame. Like he could be like coming out of the artwork, and then this rock could be in the background. Keep that on the table. That's an option. Aegislash. Ooh, Crobat though. The Holo Crobat. Or I should say the foil Crobat. It's pretty dark. Would be my biggest concern with the Crobat. Yeah, maybe. Maybe that's an option. Energy, Mr. Mustard again, Golbat. Electabuzz. Okay, this one would be pretty sick. Honestly. I mean, I could do all this like electric stuff. I could do that as like a second layer, maybe? An effect layer. Oh, the man, yeah. Bruno. Boring. So, let's do a little revision here. I'm gonna drop the Crobat. I don't think I want to have I just don't want him in the options. He's gonna be rough.
do. So I would say these are our options. These are our options that I'm leaning towards Electabuzz and Jolteon. Primeape is just not, so let's see. Separate versions of these. We'll see, I guess we'll see what you vote on. I don't know. I'd be happy with either of these. I think that this won't be the first one or the last one that I make. Well, it will be the first one, but it won't be the last one. We'll just see what you want to see. Thanks again for being here. Thank you for supporting me on Patreon. Very cool of you. Very, very cool of you. And let me know what else you want to see. If you have any suggestions for projects, or you have any overwhelming urges to tell me that none of these Pokemon cards I should do, and I should do something more recognizable or whatever, let me know. The comments. Patreon has comments too. I'd love to get some more engagement on the platform here because I think it's really fun and I want to engage with the people that are supporting me directly. And I want to prioritize that. So, again, I'll catch you later and we'll do a follow-up on what the winner is. The winning Pokemon.